The world's always changing. Nowadays, you no longer need a turntable, needle, and a piece of plastic. Now, you simply swipe to the song you want, push play, and there it is. Easy. You don't listen to music like you used to, so why build a home extension like you used to? Because now, there's a smarter way. The Extensions Plus collection from Ultraframe means you can now have a beautiful space, like this, added to your home quickly and simply with no hassle. Extensions Plus is a simple, flexible system that gives you all the options you need to create the perfect extension. In fact, it's the most advanced home extension system on the market. Why? Because you don't need to worry about building regulations, as all the construction elements have been officially approved to pass them in advance. Because you'll know exactly how much it'll cost before it's started, with your extension quoted for in advance. And because there's less mess and quicker completion time, with as much of your extension as possible built at our factory, you guessed it, in advance. Sounds great, doesn't it? Let me show you how it works. The Extensions Plus range has been created by Ultraframe, one of the UK's leading and most innovative home improvement specialists, with over 30 years' experience, particularly in conservatories and roofing systems. Essentially, there are three designs that use the Extensions Plus system: the Mottram Plus, the Harlington Plus, and the Tatton Plus. Put simply, the difference between an extension and a conservatory comes down to the thermal performance of the new extension being good enough to remove the internal doors and open it up to the rest of the house. So, whichever design you choose, all the components in the system are as thermally efficient as possible. That's how we can have it approved to meet the necessary building regulations in advance. Here's the really clever bit. The insulated core of Ultraframe's unique Loggia engineered column. Each column is built up around the core and is 5 times more thermally efficient than a similar brick column. Just as ingenious is the prefabricated roof system that sits on top of the columns. This can be a solid, fully tiled roof, or incorporate all sorts of glazing options, so you can create as open and airy a space as you like. And the flexibility doesn't end there. Both the roof and loggia columns can be finished in materials that complement or contrast with your existing property, giving you a huge choice of options to create your ideal extension. Better still, our advanced configurator system means we can produce complete designs showing you exactly what your extension will look like before it's built, so it's approved by you in advance too. Once you've finalised your options, it's down to our fully approved specialist retailers to create your ideal extension quickly and with a minimum of fuss. Because as much as possible is made in advance off-site, the mess is minimised, which means you could be enjoying your extension much sooner than you might expect. To find out more about Extensions Plus, visit yourhomeextension.co.uk or call for details of your nearest retailer.